Alright, let's look at the homework 1.1, problem number 7. Alright, it says that to determine if the equation specifies a function with independent variable x. If it does, find the domain. If it does not, find the value of x which there corresponds more than one value of y. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so first thing I would do is you look at this and you can kind of tell since it's going to be a circle, but I'll do it this way. So you have x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. And I'm going to try to isolate y. Right? So it's subtract x squared. Then you have y squared is equal to 4 minus x squared. Right? Then since we want to isolate y, so I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Right? Then you have y is equal to, right? Whenever you take the square root, you have to be careful because you have to consider positive version and a negative version. So you have a positive plus or minus square root of 4 minus x squared. Right? So you can see that there are actually two different formulas, and therefore it's not going to be a function because you might end up two separate y values corresponding to x. So answer would be no. Right? So let's type that in. So it's no. Right? Then you do that. Alright. Then based on your answer above, provide either the domain of a function or a value of x which there correspond more than one value. Right? Counter example would be, for example, x equals 0 would be a good one because if x equals 0, just plug it in. Maybe I'll go back here. So if x equals 0, right? Then plug it in, you will get y squared is equal to 4. Right? Again, if you take the square root of both sides, you will end up with two separate y value. Plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Right? So for a single x value, you would have two separate y values, which is positive 2 and negative 2. Right? So therefore, part A would be a good answer. So check the answer. All right, we got it. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.